Hello there, this is Anda Kanya with the papers attending Money 2020 Europe. Joining me now is Alain Delcourt, Managing Director of BoaCompra. We are about to discuss the latest trends and developments in payments in LATAM, as well as key insights into their recently launched white paper. What can you tell us about the surge of instant payments in LATAM? What is the current state of affairs there?
Yeah, I think it's a worldwide trend. We've seen instant payment growing everywhere in the world. Everybody has an internet access nowadays in Latin America. Plus massive investment in fintechs. So we've seen a lot of neobanks growing. Our own mother company, PagSeguro, launched PagBank a few years ago, has already like 15 million active users. So these new adopters of neobanks, online banks, they are eager to explore like new and modern payment methods. So in Brazil, the Central Bank of Brazil launched a very well-designed program called Pix. Pix is already massive. In Brazil, it's bigger, for instance, than the credit card volume in the country. It's bigger than bank transfer volume in the country. So seeing this huge success and adoption, obviously Central Bank is trying to design new features to kind of rivalize with more traditional payment methods. So installments is very, very hugely adopted for payments in credit card nowadays in Brazil. Obviously, Pix wants to piggyback on that. Recurring Pix might follow for all the subscription and recurring business, and also at some point probably like cross-border Pix is going to come.
And what about other countries like Peru or Chile, Colombia? What are the payment trends and developments there?
Yeah, so Peru is a country which is still lagging a bit behind, a very cash-centric country, but this is changing fast now. We've seen like last year the growth of the e-commerce market in Peru was 91%, so that's huge. The country is moving and catching up now to other countries of the regions. Chile is much more modern, huge banking acceptance already. People are equipped with debit and credit cards. So that's a very steady and reliable market, easy to penetrate. Colombia stays somewhere in the middle, so it's the third e-commerce market in the LATAM region, with a lot of potential still to grow in the 5 years to come.
These topics that we are just discussed are also very well debated in the new white paper that we recently launched, Digital Renaissance in Latin America. And what other interesting topic can we find there in the white paper?
Yeah, so we are launching this white paper next week for the merchants or PSPs or other players wanting to explore in depth all that is related to regulation, tax framework in those countries. It's a pretty fragmented region, so a lot of rules. Obviously partnering with some local payment partners like us in the region makes things much easier for many players. Also, we hired a research company specialized in LATAM. They brought a lot of insights about the trend for the years to come, what we can expect in terms of e-commerce adoption, growth of payment methods, key indicators in the biggest markets. The 6 biggest markets of Latin America have very distinct trends. So all of this is pretty well elaborated, and also like what happens post-pandemic. The world has changed, and obviously Latin America has changed too.